Dogecoin holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. After a long time, I'm talking about Baby Dogecoin. Absolutely, Baby is going to the moon. So very congratulations to all of you. You can see, guys, if we talk about the last 24 hours changes of Baby Dogecoin, so you can see here 4.41% the changes is positive. Absolutely, that's now Baby Dogecoin start positive changes. And guys, as I predicated in my previous videos, guys, that heavy Dogecoin price will pump in the last of October. So guys, you can see here. Now my prediction is going 100% right about Baby Dogecoin. So very congratulations to all Baby Dogecoin holders, guys. And I believe that for a long time, Baby Dogecoin will continue this type of positive changes, guys. So now people ask me questions about Baby Dogecoin, that what should we do in the right now situation? Is it a good time to hold, buy, sell, or hold? So guys, for those people who want to invest in a Baby Dogecoin currently, so you can see here, guys, the Baby Dogecoin price is very low, and other side the changes is positive. And you know what? I believe that to the last of October, Baby Dogecoin will continue these positive changes. That's simply, guys, the price of Baby Dogecoin will increase to the last of October. Changes you found positive. That's my prediction, guys. So that's why, guys, I recommend that absolutely if you want to invest, so it's good time. And guys, if you already holder of Babydoge coin, so my opinion, my recommendation for all of you is that guys, you know what, the changes is positive. Babydoge coin is in the profit. So why are you selling, guys? Just wait for a 10 minute. Sorry, just wait for 10 days. Hope in the last 10 days of a month you get some profit. So guys, just wait. I recommend you holding for all of you guys. Absolutely, just let me show you price statistic update. You can see here, guys, very soon you found the trading volume in the last week. In the last week you found trading volume huge, profitable. So it's profitable coin, guys. Just buy and hold. Thanks for watching, guys. What's your opinion? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe.